Well, you can't count the sweat in, of course, but as far as rain is concerned, we're not going to see anything like that. You can see clouds are beginning to increase into northeastern Tipton County. Here's our exclusive live view from Windfall, Indiana, and you can see the clouds have moved in. These are all about 35 miles ahead of some showers and thunderstorms that are in the far northern part of the state at this point. You can see a live look over downtown Indianapolis shows a little haze, otherwise clear blue skies out there. 82 degrees is what we have here at the station. Winds are out of the west-southwest at 14 miles per hour. They've been increasing in some locations, especially the northern part of the state, gusting at times to 30 to 33 miles per hour. Temperatures around the state: 84 degrees in Anderson, 82 in Cicero, 83 in Crawfordsville, 84 in Cloverdale, 81 degrees coming in from Edinburgh, and 82 degrees coming in right now from Greensburg. You can see over the northern part of the state we have some showers, mainly just rain, although there have been a few lightning strikes at times. One's just passed through the Logansport area, a couple just to the north and northeast of Flora, and these are all moving off to the east-southeast. Notice as they get a little further to the south, they begin to fall apart just a little bit. A little more intense storms up to the north. Nothing severe at this point. We're not expecting any severe weather. I think we're talking about a chance for some showers, maybe a scattered shower through around 9 o'clock north of a line from Lafayette over to Muncie. And you'll see that on Fox Futurecast as well, keeping a chance for a couple of showers through the area through around 9 o'clock or so. Otherwise, skies clear out overnight. By 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, lots of sunshine around the area, and that will be the case through the day tomorrow. Mainly sunny skies, and with all the sunshine around, the UV index is quite high. The UV index number for tomorrow is a 9, meaning we could see burn times in as little as 17 minutes between noon and around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so make sure you wear plenty of sunscreen. Hat's not a bad idea either tomorrow. Tonight we don't drop off as much as we have the last couple of mornings. We've gotten down into the 40s and even low 50s. Tomorrow morning, upper 50s to lower 60s. I suggest, especially in Indianapolis, go ahead and close up the windows tonight and turn on the AC. Through the day tomorrow, 77 degrees by 11 o'clock, so we start rebounding quickly up into the mid-80s by afternoon, eventually topping out in the upper 80s. Forecasting a high of 87 tomorrow in Indianapolis, 85 in Columbus, and 87 degrees in Kokomo. Winds will begin to shift around to the south-southwest, and they'll be 8 to 16 miles per hour through the day, maybe a couple of higher gusts possible by late afternoon. The heat continues out to the west, where you're seeing these darker reds and the pinks. We're talking numbers in the 90s and perhaps even triple digits in portions of South Dakota. That warmth comes our way. I don't think we're talking triple digits, but we are seeing 90-degree temperatures coming our way by Sunday and into early next week. I think we'll have our first 90-degree day on Sunday in central Indiana. Humidity-wise, it's not too bad. Dew points are still in the low 50s, and we're going to stay relatively comfortable through the weekend. But once you get over the 60-degree mark for dew points, or the measure of the moisture in the air, it starts to feel a little uncomfortable. Once you get above the 70-degree mark, that's when it really feels uncomfortable, or as like Brian likes to call it, muggly. And I think we'll start to see that coming in here as we go through the day on Tuesday. We are going to stay warm. The warmest day likely coming on Monday, a high of 92 degrees. We'll still be warm on Tuesday. A few more clouds around, as well as a chance for a few showers and thunderstorms through the day. And then notice, instead of more of a southwesterly flow, it turns a little more west to east as things flatten out. And that's going to cool us down just a little bit, but also bring with it some chances for showers and thunderstorms from midweek on. 7-day forecast shows a high of 90 degrees on Sunday, 92 Monday, 91 Tuesday, with a chance for an isolated thunderstorm. Otherwise windy and humid on Wednesday, highs in the upper 80s, then mid 80s by Thursday afternoon.
All right, thanks, John. Well, a big music festival happening right now.